looking for just the right copywriting tips to improve sales on your website, then this short video will provide just that. My name is Sean Waller, and I specialize in web copy. As you watch this short video, you'll have a go-to resource to get many, if not all, of your copywriting questions answered. Most veteran copywriters tell beginners to copy sales letters by hand to improve their skill. This is a great tip, but it can take as long as 2 to 3 hours to complete, while the strategies I'll show you only takes about 10 minutes a day. What I do is break the skill of copywriting down into small, easily manageable chunks that when done consistently can greatly improve your copy in a very short time. When you visit my blog, SeanWaller.net, here are a few of the copywriting tips you'll learn. You'll learn how to create killer headlines that calls out to your target audience and grabs their undivided attention. You'll learn how to tell engaging stories, giving you the ability to hold your reader's attention until they're ready to buy. You'll learn how to write bullet points that hit your readers' hot buttons with amazing accuracy, forcing them to create an emotional bond with your product, giving you a greater opportunity to make the sale, and much more. To gain possession of these easily to implement copywriting strategies that will turbocharge your copy almost overnight, visit SeanWaller.net. There's a link under the video. Just click on the link, head on over, and start learning now. Thanks for stopping by. See you soon.